Hello everybody, it is AviatorGriff here with another video. So today we have both a Airbus A321neo Delta Airlines and an Airbus A350-900. So both are Delta, both are 1/200 scale. So we're going to start with the A321. So that will make life a bit easier as it's smaller. We're going to start by pulling the flap up and over. Then we're going to grab right here, pull these two pieces out. Then here we go. I'm going to just kind of wiggle it. And there we go. We have our A320. It's a beautiful livery. We have a nice, really nice black visor around the front. Some really nice engines and details. Although the livery looks spotless, it says Sky Team. You have the tail number, or the nice tail number. You also have a nice serial number, 5001. Along with that, underneath we have Delta. Then it says Gemini Jets. Wheels turn. It's just a beautiful jet overall. So I'm going to set this one over here, and we are going to open the next aircraft, which is the Delta Spirit is what it is. And on the box it says, dedicated to all Delta employees worldwide, February 12th, 2021. So it says keep climbing. So we are going to come to the side, which I think this is probably the best side to open it from. So now I'm going to lift this side up, boom, and we're going to turn it on its side. And I'm just going to kind of slide it out slowly so that we can get the entire aircraft out. It was a pretty annoying noise. Box is going to go over there to the side. But here is the packaging, as you can see in the camera. So I'm going to start by lifting this piece up and off of the aircraft. And so here we have a stand. So it's a really nice metal stand, as you guys can all see right now. I'm going to set that to the side. And now I'm just going to pull off the paper that's overhead of the aircraft. So I'm going to, perfect. So now I don't know how I'm supposed to get this out. I don't think I'm supposed to pull it by winglet. So I'm just going to go for the middle of the aircraft where it should be with the most sturdy. Boom. And here we go. This is the Spirit of Delta, and it looks like we also get a bag of little attachments. So as I saw earlier in the shop when I got this, the tires and whatnot just snap into place using magnets, as seen on the bottom side. But now we're going to go through this aircraft. This aircraft is actually really heavy, but if we roll it onto its left side right now, on the front, it shows the Spirit of Delta, or the Delta Spirit. And then it has the Sky Team livery. It looks like a safety card, or just a bunch of designs on there. Then you go farther back, really nice windows, nice tail number, and also has the serial number. It also has all the little designs along the way on the wings and whatnot. But after we flip it over, it still has that massive Delta logo like all the other aircraft. Running on to its other side, looks about the same as the other. Just this time it has the really big cargo holds. And then yeah, back up, you have your winglets, you have your Wi-Fi, and you have your little bumps on the top. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.